This is my fish sauce chicken wings. I wash my chicken wings. You don't have to. I do. So to season it, you're gonna add in some chicken bouillon, some fish sauce. This is black pepper, sugar, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. Add that in. Oil. Mix. I'm gonna marinate this for at least 1 hour, ideally overnight. Chicken to a clean bowl. For the coating, you're gonna add some rice flour, cornstarch, baking powder. Mix together, and your chicken should look something like this. We're gonna set this aside and heat up our oil. To make the sauce, you're gonna add in some garlic, some Thai chili. Oh, ha! Add in your palm sugar. Smash it until it becomes a paste. Water, fish sauce, lime juice. Mix together. Let your sauce thicken up. Once your oil is nice and hot, you're gonna drop in your chicken one by one. Lightly move it around. Once your chicken looks like this, take it out. Double fry for about 2 minutes. Toss your chicken in the sauce. Cilantro. Okay, bye.